Good morning, students. Today we are going to begin with the lesson number 11, Jijo and Ellie. Okay, I have already shared the video in which how you are going to read this lesson slowly is shared. Okay, you will listen to it properly, and the same manner you are going to read this lesson by keeping your finger on each word and sentence properly. Okay, so let us begin with the explanation of this lesson. Okay, this is the lesson Jijo and Ellie. Who is Jijo first of all? This boy you all are able to see sitting on the stone. Yes, the name of this boy is Jijo. Okay, and one of the elephant, the small baby elephant you all are able to see. Yes, this is Ellie. So this is the story of Jijo and Ellie. Okay, so let us see what happens in this story. Jijo loves elephants. Now this is the boy Jijo who loves elephants a lot. Okay, he likes to play with them. Jijo always loves playing with the elephants. He likes to watch them swing their trunks and playing in the mud. Okay, so Jijo always loves elephants. He enjoys seeing the elephants swinging their trunk. Trunk, you all know what is trunk? Yes, this part of the elephant is called trunk. Okay, Jijo likes to watch the elephants swinging their trunk from side to side, from ups and downs. Okay, you all might have seen the elephant trunk when the elephants are moving their trunk from up and down, from side to side. Jijo loves to watch them. Jijo loves seeing the elephants playing in the mud. You all are able to see this, both the elephants are playing in the mud. Okay, so Jijo always loves watching the elephants playing in the mud. Jijo looks after the elephants in an elephant camp. Okay, now what this Jijo is doing here? Okay, what Jijo is doing? Jijo is working in elephant camps. Okay, he is staying in the forest, and in a forest there is an elephant camp. Okay, elephant camps are set up to look after the elephants who are staying in the forest. Okay, in the forest there are many animals, no? Okay, we need to look after these animals. Okay, for looking after these animals, some people are forming some camps over there. Okay, so Jijo is working in one of the elephant camp in the forest. So in the forest, he used to look after all these elephants. Look after means what? Taking care. Okay, when they are hurt or sick, when all the elephants are hurt or sick, do you think they'll come to the doctor by themselves? No. So in these elephants camps, some of the doctors are working, some of the people are working who used to look after. They used to go in the forest. They find out if any elephant is in hurt or he is sick. Then they bring them in the elephant camp. They used to do the treatment on them. Okay? The elephants go back to the forest after they get well. After the treatment done, they used to send the elephants back in the forest. Okay, in this way Jijo used to work in elephant camp. One day Jijo goes for a walk to the river. Now what happened? What happened? He went in the forest for a walk near the river. Suddenly he hears a cry. He hears somebody crying near the river. Okay? When Jijo went near the river, he sees a little elephant lying in the mud. Okay, and the little elephant is crying softly. What Jijo saw? Jijo saw a small elephant lying in the mud, and he saw that small elephant was crying softly. Okay, that elephant was unable to get up. She has hurt her leg, and because of that little elephant was crying. Jijo saw all this. So Jijo went near this small baby elephant. Jijo pats the little elephant because she was very sad. Okay, patting means what everyone know? Okay, your parents are also patting you sometimes, no? When you people are crying, when you are very sad, तुमच्या जवळ येतात आणि तुमच्या डोक्यावरून तुमच्या पाठीवरून तुमचे मम्मी पप्पा हात फिरवतात ना जेव्हा तुम्ही सॅड असता. In the same manner, Jijo also did. Jijo went near this baby elephant and pats the little elephant because the elephant was very sad. Okay, so now after the Jijo was patting this baby elephant, she touches Jijo with her trunk. Now this baby elephant became very happy that somebody came near me to help me out. So what that baby elephant did? She touches Jijo with her trunk. Okay, Jijo names the little elephant Ellie. Now Jijo was not knowing what was the name of this little elephant. So Jijo gives that small baby elephant a name Ellie. Okay. Now after seeing this situation, what Jijo did? Jijo runs to the elephant camp and he calls the keeper to help. Okay. Now who are the keepers? Keepers are the people who work in the elephant camp to help these elephants. Okay. He calls the keeper to help this little elephant. The keepers take the Ellie to the camp. Now you are able to see the keepers came near the Ellie. Okay, and they took the Ellie to the elephant camp. In the elephant camp, why they took Ellie in the elephant camp? For the treatment. Because Ellie got hurt her leg, no? She needs treatment. Now, Dr. Anand, the vet, ties a cloth around Ellie's leg. Okay, one of the person was a doctor. Okay, Dr. Anand, a vet. Now, what do you know? Do you all know who is vet? Who do we call vet? Vet is an animal doctor. Animals doctor is called vet. Okay, so Dr. Anand, the vet, ties a cloth around Ellie's leg because Ellie's leg was hurt. He gives Ellie some medicines. Okay, now Ellie starts staying in the camp till the time Ellie will get well. Okay, now Jijo looks after Ellie. Now what? Till the time Ellie's treatment was going on, Jijo used to look after this Ellie every day. He feeds her, he bathes her and sings to her. Okay, so in this way Jijo started taking care of this Ellie in the elephant camp. Now slowly Ellie begins to get well because the treatment was going on, no? Doctors were giving her medicines and all. Soon Ellie is able to stand up now. After a few days, Ellie can walk and run. Jijo takes Ellie to the forest. Now once the Ellie was very well, okay, her leg was okay, she was able to run and walk. Okay, now she should be sent back to the forest, no? She needs to stay with her family. Okay, so what Jijo did? Jijo takes Ellie to the forest now. Ellie is very happy to see her mother elephant and father elephant. Okay, when the Jijo sent this Ellie in the forest to her parents, seeing her parents, Ellie became very happy. Okay, so they are happy too. Mother and father elephant also became happy to see Ellie. They trumpet in joy. What do you mean by trumpet? Yes, the sound of elephant. Okay, when the elephants are making a sound, that sound is called trumpet. With a joy, with a happiness, all the elephants trumpet in joy. Ellie touches Jijo with her trunk. Then she slowly walks away. Okay, finally what this Ellie did? Ellie touches this Jijo with her trunk with a love. Okay, because Jijo helped her a lot, no? Jijo found out the problem of this Ellie. Jijo took Ellie in the medical camp, in the elephant camp, sorry. Okay, then there they did the treatment on Ellie, and once the Ellie is very well, Jijo, yes, let her go in the forest. Okay, in this way, this Jijo helped Ellie. Okay, this is the story of Jijo and Ellie. How Jijo looked after this baby elephant Ellie in the forest. Okay, now you all are going to read this lesson properly. Okay, and after this I am going to share one more video how you all are going to solve all these questions which are given after the lesson. Okay, if you have any doubts you can call me. Thank you.